As designers, we all have hit that one creative wall where we just couldn't figure out exactly what we wanted to do, especially when it comes to creating our own colors. In this movie, I'll be walking you through how to utilize Illustrator's Color Guide panel to hopefully alleviate some of those creative headaches. As you can see here, I've got some artwork on my artboard, and I've only got one petal of this flower colored, because that's the color I know I have to use. But the other colors, I don't exactly know what they need to be. Maybe the client hasn't told me, or maybe I'm just experimenting to create even more creative artwork. So in this case, I'm going to utilize the Color Guide panel to sort of help me along. The first thing I'm going to do is go find the Color Guide panel. It's right over here on the right, and I'll just click and drag it out. The Color Guide panel basically allows you to create color harmonies based upon an active color that you have selected. Once you have that artwork selected, you can then base the colors that the Color Guide gives you off of that color and instantly find things that are in harmony with it. You can also determine shades and tints upon that color as well. In this case, I've got this selected, and I'm going to make that my active color by clicking right there. You can see here that it automatically gives me some harmony rules. I can go in here to the drop-down and actually change those to different types of harmony rules. For instance, if I wanted to keep it monochromatic, I could actually select this, which gives me variations upon that one color, which is kind of what I'm looking for. You can also go into the color panel up here at the top to the menu item and choose Color Guide Options. Inside of the Color Guide Options, you can determine how many steps go across both shades and tints. So in this case, I might bump that up to 7, giving me more shades and more tints of that color as well. If you want less variation, you can actually drag this to the left. And you notice as I drag to the left, the colors become more unified. Dragging it more to the right varies them up a little bit more. So in this case, I think I'll go with about 50% in the middle. 7 steps looks okay. And I'll hit OK. So now I have all of these different colors to choose from in the Color Guide panel, and I can use those to apply to my artwork. So I can select these, and I'll actually remove the stroke component from these so that I don't have to worry about that anymore. And now I'll just start applying colors to the artwork. Remember, I'm going to select this right here, set this as my color, and then I'm going to start working. So I'll select this, and I'll pick a blue, select another object, pick another shade of blue. This object here, want that to be an even lighter shade of blue. Then here, maybe something a little lighter. Finally here, maybe another one just like that. And so I've created something that is technically in harmony and has lots of different color variations in it. And I did that by utilizing the Color Guide panel. Now you can come in and work with any number of the harmony rules that you want to. For instance, I could pick something like this one here and see all these, and then I could make a completely different look instantaneously. So I'll select this, and then I'll just start applying colors. Once I've got my colors like I like them, just click away. If I'm still not satisfied, maybe I want to base it off of one of these other colors. I select it, make that the active color, and then I can come in and choose other color harmonies. So for instance, maybe I want this one. Now I'll select one of these, and I'll just start applying colors. And there you have it. Quick and easy color harmonies utilizing the Color Guide panel inside of Illustrator, which should hopefully help you get over those creative hurdles and put you well on your way to creating better artwork.